Dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door.
Is that a goose? Peeping scary. Maybe hold the little leather. Let's check it out. They slowly open the igloo door. But inside, they found a tiny seal, shivering and hungry. Peeping smiled. Oh, it's not scary. It's just a cold friend. They shared their fish and helped the seal warm up. That night, under the shining aurora, Peter looked up and said, I'm thankful for my friends. I'm not scared when we're together. Barry nodded. Yes, tonight we learned being kind is the warmest thing in the cold.